So I received something in the mail today from a Pilgrim's Coffer, and I am excited to open it up and see what's inside. All right, we have the box. It's a nice, sturdy box. We've got some bubble wrap, set that aside. First we have the Pilgrim's Coffer logo, sticker, and another Pilgrim's Coffer logo, sticker. Nice fancy letter. All right, now we have the book. It's all wrapped up in this paper. Let's get this opened. And look at that. That is really nice. Nicely done. I like the cover design. It's nice. It has a protective paper jacket on the outside. We've got some photos. Ooh, that's really nice. It even has an embossed logo on the back and on the front with gold. The interior decoration really makes it look like an antique book, but it's brand new. Looks like they kept the styling of the chapter headings of the sermon headings here. From what I've seen of the older sermons, it looks like it's in the same style. Overall, it feels like it's very well constructed. There's some notes by Spurgeon. And the book feels very sturdy, like it'll last a very long time. Overall, this looks to be a really good, solid build of a book. I'm excited to get into it and start reading some of Spurgeon's sermons. If you'd like to order your copy, go to apilgrimscoffer.com, and I will leave a link to that in the description of this video. Thanks. I'm gonna go get some reading done, so I'll catch you all later.